Hello guys. So after a fresh install of Linux Mint on my machine, I was facing a bit of a problem with the sound, with the audio. It just wasn't working, and after many hours of research and trying all the other stuff like Alza Mixer videos on YouTube, and force reloading and reinstalling stuff you may have tried yourself, it just didn't work. So I dedicated a portion of my time to try and fix this problem. I was talking to many people in the community, and we were able to come up with a sort of a bash script you can run to fix the problem with the driver. So first of all, I'm just going to tell you what audio card I have. It, as you can see, is the realtek ALC294 chip, which is, according to the forums, the chip that has the most persistent problems and the most reported cases of the problem and that defect. So first of all, I'm just going to ask you to check your BIOS settings and make sure that your BIOS is up to date. To do that, you're just going to go to your manufacturer. If for me it was ASUS, the support website. You're going to download the installer of the BIOS for your specific computer. You can put this in a keyboard, your specific computer model, sorry. You can put this in a keyboard or in a USB. What is happening? In a USB, and just boot up from the BIOS, from the UEFI or legacy mode, and follow the instruction to install update your BIOS. Instruction will be on the site surely. Other than that, I'm gonna need you to go to Alza Mixer if you have Alza Mixer, if you're Ubuntu or Linux Mint. To do that, you're just gonna type in Alza Mixer here in the terminal, wherever, and you're gonna navigate to this tab, like Auto Mute tab. To navigate, just use your arrow keys left and right, and to enable or disable, use your upward keys, up and down. Make sure it is disabled as so. Once you do that, you're gonna need to copy or you're gonna need to make a bash script. So I have put this in a repository. I'm going to share the link down in the description. You can just copy this the content of the script by navigating to it. You're gonna be most likely here. Just click on sound, make sure you copy all of it, and run a text editor. The default text editor will do. Paste the content and make sure it is listed as sh. Once it is colored, you know that it has been recognized, and you can go ahead and save the file. I will not do that because I already have the file in my computer. So you're gonna need to navigate to the file to run it. Once you run the script, hopefully your sound problems will be fixed. My script, as you can see, is in documents. You can either do this if you know the folder your script in. You can only open in terminal like this, or if you don't know, or you don't have the option to open up the terminal from the folder, just go over here, cd, change directory, documents, and you're there. You're gonna list to make sure, and as you can see, the sound is here. So let's run it. Oh, what is this? Permission denied. Yeah. So if we go ahead and list the permissions of the sound file, we can see we can only read and write to the file, and some other users can only read it. You can even write. So to fix this problem, we're gonna need to change the permission. So change mode. We're gonna add the execution to the file and the name of the file. Make sure when running this command you're still in the documents. You're not gonna need super user privileges. So once you do that, let's go ahead and list again. Yeah, now it is an executable. We can actually execute this file, even the Windows, or I don't know what is that. So after this, let's just go ahead and run the file. Yeah, so you're gonna need to supply your password, because as you can see here, there is sudo, which stands for super user do, because the changes are pretty deep. So you're gonna need super user privileges. Just supply your password. I'll do that. Once that, a couple of commands, maybe 4, yeah, will be running, and hopefully your problems will be fixed. So let's test it. Mine was already working, so
front, right, front, left.
yeah. And one important note is that if you're like me, I have dual boot with not triple boot. It's Linux, Linux Mint, Linux Arch, and Windows. After I log out of Linux Mint and go into another distribution or into Windows and I come back, I still have the problem. It comes back again. So that's why you're gonna need to keep the file around. So each time you have the problem, like you log in, you don't have sound, just run the file. I really hope that has fixed your problem, and I don't really upload that much, so you don't need to subscribe, but I'd much appreciate it if you share this video or just give me a star on GitHub. Thank you. Have a good luck.